Okay, internet, intranet, extranet. You've definitely heard these words thrown around, and they all sound kind of the same. But one of them is like a secret, super secure bridge that businesses use to connect with the outside world, and that's the one we're going to unpack today. So let's just get the basics straight right away. The internet, that's the easy one. It's global, it's public, it's the web we all use every single day. The intranet is the total opposite. Think of it as a company's private internal playground. Only employees get to go there. But the extranet, now that's the really clever one in the middle. It's a private network, but it's designed to securely open a little door for very specific outsiders, like your most important partners or your most valued customers. And right away, that brings up a huge question, doesn't it? If all your company's really sensitive stuff is locked down tight on a private internet, how in the world do you share just a little piece of it with a partner without accidentally throwing the doors open to the entire public internet? How do you build that secure link? Well, the answer is the extranet. It is designed for that exact purpose, to be a secure, controlled extension of a company's private network. It kind of cleverly uses the public internet as its highway, but it carves out this private, encrypted tunnel just for your business and its approved partners. I love this analogy. Think of it as a private members-only bridge. Your company is like an island with all its secrets safe on its private internet. The public internet is the huge, chaotic ocean all around it. The extranet isn't some public ferry that lets anyone on. Oh no. It's a private drawbridge with a guard, a gate, and a very, very strict guest list. Only the partners and customers you approve get the key to cross. So, we get the what, now let's dig into the how. I mean, what's really going on inside an extranet after somebody logs in? What makes this secure bridge actually do its job? Well, it all kicks off with authentication that's absolutely rock solid. We're not just talking about a simple password. We're talking about things like two-factor authentication, where you also need a code from your phone to prove it's really you. And the access is super controlled, so a supplier might only get to see inventory data, while a design partner only sees project files. Once you're in, it's basically a command center for collaboration with secure messaging, forums, the whole deal. And finally, it's all about managing information, sharing the right documents, tracking who's doing what, and seeing how it's all going. And let's be clear, none of this works for a second without some serious layers of security. Firewalls are like the big castle walls protecting the whole network. Encryption scrambles all the data, so even if someone intercepted it, it would just look like gibberish. And those strict access controls mean people only see what they're supposed to see. Plus, every single click is logged in an audit trail, which is so important for keeping track of everything and for meeting big-time compliance rules. All right, enough of the technical stuff. Let's see these private bridges out in the wild. How are different industries actually using extranets to get things done? Okay, take a supply chain. A big company can give its vendors access to a portal showing real-time inventory levels. That means the suppliers know exactly when to send more parts, automatically. No phone calls, no emails, it just optimizes the entire process seamlessly. Extranets can also be for you, the customer. You've probably used one. Think about any self-service portal where you log in to manage your account, track an order, or download a manual, any time of day or night. That empowers you as a customer, which builds a ton of loyalty, all because they made your life easier. And for businesses that team up on big projects, an extranet basically becomes their shared digital office. It's that single, secure spot where they can swap marketing plans, coordinate sales strategies, and make big decisions together, way more efficiently. They are also just amazing collaboration hubs. Just picture a huge construction project. You've got architects, engineers, contractors, and the clients, all needing to see the exact same, up-to-the-minute blueprints. An extranet provides that single source of truth, so everyone is literally on the same page. And then there's finance, where security isn't just important, it is everything. Banks use extranets to give clients that super secure portal to manage their investments and see sensitive financial data. All the security features we just talked about, in this world, they are absolutely non-negotiable. So after seeing all these examples, you have to ask, what's the real payoff here? Why would a business invest all the time and money to build one of these private bridges? What's the bottom line? The benefits are actually really clear, and they all kind of feed into each other. Collaboration gets way better because everyone's working from the same playbook. That, of course, leads to a big boost in productivity. The rock-solid security builds trust, which leads to happier clients. And because these systems are built to scale, they can grow right alongside the business and all its partnerships.
Ultimately, the whole point is, as one source put it, to simplify workflows, automate operations, and reduce manual processes. An extranet isn't just some fancy website. It's a powerful tool for completely rethinking and streamlining how a company works with its most valuable partners.
So, if there's just one thing you take away from this, let it be this. The extranet is that crucial, secure, and totally controlled link, that private bridge, connecting a company's private, internal intranet with the huge public internet, but only for the people who really matter. So it kind of leaves us with this final thought. In a world that demands we be more connected than ever, but also more secure than ever, could it be that the humble, often overlooked extranet is the real unsung hero of how modern business gets done? Thanks for tuning into this explainer.